All right. Last lesson. This is a last lesson. Chapter 2, lesson 2.10, mixed number operations. So we have been talking about fractions for a long time. But what do we don't deal with mixed numbers now? We've been doing fractions for a very long time. So not a very long time. I mean, you've just been practicing fractions for a long time. So we should do this with mixed numbers as well, because next chapter we're starting something very very new. Very new. It's not very new to people who know numbers. It's about integers. That's the next chapter. And I not only integers might be a little harder for regular people. Like not rational. Yeah, rational integers. Um, let's just get started with the lesson. I see that we have, oh my gosh, a little complex stuff. So let's just break it down into one fraction. We got 2 and 1/3 divided by 5/6 plus 2 times 1/4 minus 1/7. This is the crazy fraction, this crazy index form of fraction. Simplify it just to this. So now this may seem a little easier because it's not in the decimal simplify we can. But now let's look at the one to side of the parentheses. 2 times 1/4 is equal to 2/4 or 1/2. All right, now let's do the division here. All right, guys, now let's do a division here. So we got 2 and 1/3 divided by 5/6. So we got 2 1/3 divided by 5/6. So remember how to divide these numbers? What we have to do is make the mixed number to a fraction. So in this case here, the sixth number, that becomes 7/3. And multiply by the reciprocal of the second fraction. 6/5. Cross cancel. That's 2. That's 1. And then multiply. 14 divided by 5. That just equals 2 and 4/5. Now I'm gonna have 4 and 2/5 and 4/5. No, what am I doing? 2 and 4/5 plus, what is this? 1/2 minus, what am I doing? Minus 1/7. And 2 and 4/5 plus 1/2 is 3 and 3/10. So 3 and 3/10 minus 1/7, we get a monstrosity. So I say 3.1. So this fraction is about 3.5. 3.15. 3.15. It's about 13.15714285714 going forever. Which was 3.5. All right, here. Remember, I recommend you use distributive property. Before I let you do this problem, I want you to start, let's get a review of distributive property, because it actually can help us in this problem a bit. So we're going to do distributive property. The distributive property is basically just saying that you're multiplying a number outside the parentheses by every term inside the parentheses. So here we're multiplying 2 by every number inside, which that gives us 4 plus 2 6. So that's just equal to 6. So you just multiply 2 by every number in size. So multiply 2 times 2 and 2 times 1. Same thing with here, this part of the problem. But if you want to, actually.